To begin the disassembly, remove the 4 screws securing the bottom cover of the laptop. This can be done easily using a Phillips standard PH1 screwdriver. Next, use a thin plastic tool to gently release the clips holding the bottom cover to the chassis. Start near the hinge area and carefully work your way around. Once unclipped, lift off the bottom cover. Inside, remove the 6 screws securing the battery to the chassis using a Phillips PH0 screwdriver. These screws are held in place and won't fall out. Once loosened, gently slide the battery out of its socket. There are no wires between the battery and the board, just a direct connection to the slot on the bottom. The battery is a lithium-ion unit, model L22D3P77, with a capacity of 57 watt-hours and a nominal voltage of 11.7 volts. To access the SSD, remove the 2 screws holding its protective cover. Then, carefully pull the SSD out of its slot. The SSD is a 1 TB SK Hynix Gen 4 NVMe drive, size 22 to 80. We've seen this model used in other ThinkPads, such as the T14S Gen 4. There are no additional SSD slots available. The Wi-Fi module is the Intel AX211D2W. The cooling system includes 2 single fans connected by a shared thin, flat heat pipe. Unfortunately, the memory is not upgradable. Some configurations come with up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X7500, but due to platform limitations, it actually runs at LPDDR5X6400. It operates in 8-channel mode. For the full benchmark results, detailed display analysis, and comparisons with key rivals, make sure you check out our comprehensive written review at laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below.